Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Children, in the previous class we have learned about letter A, B and C. So now it's time to learn a new letter. Let's learn the alphabets. Let's learn the alphabets. Let's get ready to learn. Okay, children, this is letter D. This is letter D. Which letter is this? D. Letter D. Capital D. Capital D. And here comes the lowercase d. Lowercase d. Now everyone take out your magic finger. Take out your magic finger and let's trace the letter D. Make a one standing line and from the top make a curve. This is letter D. This is letter D. And now it's time to make lowercase d. Let's start with a curve first. A curve and now make a standing line. You all know how to make lowercase c? Yes? Similarly, in the same way, you have to make C and then one standing line touching the lowercase c. Okay? So this is our D. Uppercase D and lowercase d. D. D says D. D says D. Repeat the sound with me. D says D. This is a letter D which is a consonant and has a sound D. It has a sound D. It is a day. D. Day. As in D. Day. Now look at this picture where you can see a sun. Where you can see a sun and clouds. So we can say it's a day. A day. D. Day. Now let's look at the second picture. It shows a picture of a dog. D. Dog. D. Dog. And you know, children, how does the dog bark? It says boo boo. Yes. Boo boo. D. Dog. D. Dog. Now let's come to the another picture, which is a picture of a duck swimming in the pond. D. Duck. D. Duck. D. Duck. Duck says quack quack. Quack quack. D. Duck. And look at this pretty doll. D. Doll. D. Doll. D. Doll. D says D as in doll. And you know the last picture is of which animal? Yes, tell me fast. Do you know about it? It is a dolphin. It is a dolphin. A dolphin is a water animal. It swims in water and takes big dives up and down in the sea. D. Dolphin. Now in dolphin, the sound of D is coming. Yes, it says D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. So now we have learned about D sound. As in D. Dolphin. D. Doll. D. Duck. D. Dog. And the first one was D. Day. D. Day. Now children, in the classroom you can see a door which also has a sound of D. Now children, in the classroom you have seen a door and in this word door, what sound is coming? D. It is coming D. So that means door is starting with letter D. It is starting with letter D. 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 D says D. D says D. D says D. Now it's time to sing aloud with action. So are you all ready? Come on, let's sing. See me play on my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. Playing drum is lots of fun. With a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play upon my drum. So what sound is coming? D. D says D. Children, you remember that we have learned about letter A. Letter A has a sound A. B has a sound B. C has a sound, tell me fast, K. And D says D. So keep on finding new vocabulary words with different letters. Alright, so I will rest my class today and see you in the next video. Bye bye.